Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Finance with Avern. If you're looking to earn some extra cash just for opening up a new bank account and experiencing a new bank account while you're at it that you possibly may like and find useful, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the Fifth Third Bank's $325 checking account bonus offer. And this banking bonus offer is very simple, easy, and can be obtained pretty quickly, as I'll tell you about later in the video with the 2 steps and a third bonus step kind of will tell you about. And there's no minimum initial deposit to open this Fifth Third Momentum checking account and no monthly maintenance fees. I'll tell you more about the checking account as well. And this video is organized into sections. I'll break down how you can qualify for this bonus, what you need to do, and why this could be a great opportunity to boost your finances. Let's get into it. So Fifth Third Bank are currently around the 16th largest bank in the United States based on total assets. They've been established since 1858, a long time, and they have branches in 11 states with more than 1,200 full-service locations, and they have over 40,000 partner ATMs nationwide. And those 11 states that they serve are right here on the screen as you see it: Ohio, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia. And those states are going to be important when it comes to eligibility as well, because basically you need to have a zip code in one of those states to open up an account with them. I tried a few different zip codes from other states, Texas, California, and so forth. And when I put the zip codes in for a state outside of these 11 right here, I got an error that said, unfortunately, we are unable to open your account online at this time. However, we'd be happy to help you in a Fifth Third branch. So basically, they're going to want you to come into a branch to open the account. And if you're nowhere close to a branch of Fifth Third Bank, then it likely won't be a good account for you to open. May not even be a possibility for you to open the account and get the bonus and so forth and so on. So yeah, right there, you see the 11 states that they have locations in that they do business in. And with that being said, let's continue with the eligibility for this bonus, because those states, they play into the eligibility as well. As you see, I showed you the error message on the screen when I put in a zip code from another state outside of those 11 states. So likely for this bonus, you're going to need to have a residence, an address in one of those 11 states. And I'll put it up on the screen again. You see it right there. An address or residence, something with ID in one of those 11 states is likely going to be needed to even open the account. And of course, you got to have the account open to get the bonus. And also for eligibility, this offer is not available to anyone who has an ownership interest, including but not limited to, or primary owner or joint owner in an existing Fifth Third checking or a Fifth Third checking account that is closed within the last 13 months. So if you have a Fifth Third checking account currently, they have 3 different accounts. So you can even have one that's not this Fifth Third Momentum checking account for this offer. So if you have a Fifth Third checking account in general right now, you wouldn't be eligible for this offer. Also, if you had a Fifth Third checking account that was closed within the last 13 months, then you would not be eligible for this offer. If you had a Fifth Third Bank, over a year ago, and you closed it, 15, 16, 17 months ago and more than that or anything, then yeah, you could be eligible for this account, because based on that, you did not close the account within the last 13 months. And also with these offers, Fifth Third Bank reserves the right to limit each customer to 1 new account related gift incentive per calendar year. So if you had another bonus offer or some kind of sign up bonus offer, incentive or something with Fifth Third Bank in this calendar year, then there's a possibility that you would not be eligible for this sign up bonus. And Fifth Third Bank also states that eligibility may be limited based on your account type and ownership role. So basically, just when you open the account, have you be the sole, owner of the account. You're not basically going to get 2 sign up bonus offers for having a joint account. The main person getting the bonus and also the joint holder getting the bonus. That's not going to happen right there. So basically, you want to be the main owner of this account if you're looking to get that bonus. Now, that's the eligibility right here. Let's jump into the 2 steps, because this is an easy bonus to obtain. Starting with step number 1, you just have to open the Momentum checking account online or in a branch by September 30th, 2024, and you need to enter your offer code. So there's a couple of ways to do that with the offer code. If you open the account on the promo page on their website, and I'll have it linked down in the description. It's not a referral link from me or anything like that, just the link right here that I got to for this video, and you can Google, Fifth Third Bank checking account bonus offer and get to this as well. So basically, you're going to want to either open the account online through the promo page right here. When you open the account, you just click on that. You have your email right there, your zip code, and you see that the offer code is already embedded in the sign up process. So that's going to be one of the easiest ways to sign up and get this bonus offer right there online. Put in your email address, Hopefully you have a zip code in one of those 11 states that you have, with your ID and everything. And then boom, there's the promo code right there for you. So you can continue this way, and that's one way to open the account. Or if you want to get that promo code, emailed to you, if you want to open the account later, or you want to go into a physical location, a branch, and open the account there, then what you'll need to do is enter your email address on this screen on the promotional page for this offer and click on Get an Offer Code. Then they're going to email you the offer code. So you can use that later if you want to sign up online, or if you want to sign up in a branch, a physical location, take that offer code with you to the branch and make sure you let them know when you're signing up for the account that you have a promotional code or offer code, some kind. They'll know what you're talking about, basically. So make sure you have that code with you. You can have the email on your phone. You can print it out, however you want to do. Just have that offer code with you when you sign up for the account. So yeah, that is step one right there. Pretty simple and easy. Open that new Momentum checking account with Fifth Third Bank by September 30th, 2024, and make sure the offer code is with you either online where you're opening it on the website, or if you're going to open it up later, get the code emailed to you, or if you're going to go to a physical location, bring the code that was emailed to you with you at that physical location when you open the account. Now, step number 2. Make direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. Now, this is really simple right here. It gives you a long amount of time to reach that $2,000 as well. You don't have to do one deposit, two deposits, however many it takes to total $2,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. Now, if you're wondering, okay, direct deposits, what kind of direct deposits, what qualifies, all that, I'm here for you. I got you. Let me tell you about that. The qualifying direct deposits, there's only going to be a few kind of deposits that's going to qualify for that. You have payroll or government issue direct deposits. So that's pretty much it. For standard, for most people, it's going to be through payroll. However often you get paid, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, whatever it is. Have some direct deposits going into your new Fifth Third checking account. It doesn't have to be your whole check amount. I know for a lot of employers, including the ones I've worked at and the one I work at currently, you can, divvy up your paycheck in various ways, by percentage amount, by a specific dollar amount, however you want to do. So you can spread this out over the span of a few, pay cycles for you, however you want to do it. Just make sure you equal that $2,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. And that is it pretty much with that step number 2, because as you see, the $325 checking bonus does not require any additional activities. That is it right there. They just want you to open the account by that date and have those direct deposits totaling $2,000 or more, and have those qualifying direct deposits of $2,000 or more within 90 days of account opening. And that's also another requirement, basically, is that your account must be funded within 90 days of account opening, or your account may be closed. So you're going to do that by just, following step number 2. So you shouldn't have to worry about your account being closed. And then pretty much step number 3, they don't have a step number 3, but after you do step number 1 and step number 2, this is what you're going to need to do. I'm going to input a special step number 3, basically, because what that's going to be is patience, and also keeping your account open in good standing. As you see right here in the fine print, in order to receive the cash bonus, your checking account must be open and in good standing. So me, with these checking account bonuses, savings account bonuses, whatever they are, I like to keep, some money in the account. Just keep it there, because sometimes some of these bonuses do have like minimum, like you must have at least $1 or something in your account in order to receive the bonus. This one with Fifth Third Bank, they don't have a specific amount that you have to have in the account to receive the bonus. They just want your account to be open and in good standing. But me, I just like to keep a few dollars in there, basically. So yeah, that's really simple, easy to do. Leave a little bit in there. Just keep it in good standing. Definitely make sure it's not in a negative, account balance or anything like that. And then you're basically waiting on your bonus, but you're going to receive that bonus pretty quickly. As it states right here, the $325 bonus will be added to your new account within 10 business days of completing qualifying activity requirements. So really, you can get this bonus quicker than 90 days of opening your account. If you hit that $2,000 or more, in 30 days, 45 days, however many days, you can pretty much count down from that moment you hit that $2,000 or more, that 10 business days from when you hit that $2,000 or more is when you're going to receive that $325 bonus. And also in this special step number 3, I want to tell you, of course, when it comes to bonuses, cash bonuses, things like that, got to mention taxes, because this bonus is considered income and may be reported on IRS Form 1099-INT, which is 1099-interest, or 1099-MISC, which is miscellaneous, or 1042-S, as required by applicable law. So if you've done these kind of bonuses before, or anything where you've gotten, 1099 INT or MISC, you know the process. You're going to have that form basically mailed to you. You're going to input that information. If you do your own taxes, you're going to input that information yourself, in the section for your taxes. If somebody else does your taxes for you, then you're going to want to take that form to them, as well as any other forms and taxes and payroll things you take to them for your taxes. So basically, if you sign up and get this bonus in 2024, you're going to get a form in the mail, that 1099 INT or MISC or 1042S. You're going to get that form in the mail around January or February or so, and then you'll be able to, do your taxes, input that in your taxes and so forth. So just something to keep in mind with these bonuses, and this bonus as well, taxes. All right, and simple, easy to receive that bonus. Now I'm going to want to tell you a little bit about this Momentum checking account with Fifth Third Bank, because it sounds pretty great. Sounds like a, very useful, efficient checking account. As you see right here, there's no hidden fees or gotchas, they state. There's no monthly maintenance service fee or anything like that. No $5, $4 fee that you have to worry about every month, or something that you have to, meet certain requirements to get it waived or anything like that. No monthly service fee at all. And there's no minimum deposit to open this account. And also, they have extra time to avoid overdraft fees after the first 90 days. So some fine print and so forth with that. If you want to know more about that, I won't make this video too long and talk too much about that, but they do have that feature as well. And as I stated also, they have no fees at those over 40,000 partner ATMs nationwide that they have. And they have early pay, which is nice. When you get your paycheck, into your account normally, like if it's a Friday or something, then you would get it on like a Wednesday with this account. They have early payday, which, you may have that with your other checking accounts and savings accounts. I've definitely gotten used to that. In some accounts, I have early pay, so I'll get paid on Wednesday instead of Friday. And in some accounts, they don't have early pay, and I'm like, what's going on? Oh yeah, this account doesn't have early pay. I gotta wait till the normal Friday to get paid, which is hilarious kind of to be, but it's just one of those things you get used to. And this account does have early pay, so that's nice. And of course, that is free, no kind of fee associated with that. And they have Smart Shield security, they say, which protects your account 24/7, 365, threat blocking, live support, smart alerts, monitoring, all that. And with this Fifth Third Bank, Fifth Third itself is FDIC insured. So that checking account is going to be FDIC insured up to that standard amount of that $250,000 protected. If anything happened to Fifth Third Bank, they went under or something like that, that amount typically applicable by law up to that $250,000 amount would be covered under FDIC insurance. And here's some more information, basically a checklist list right here. You want to look at the first column. That's the Momentum checking account that this bonus offer is for. So as you see, no monthly service fee, no minimum balance, identity theft monitoring options, check writing, over 40,000 fee-free partner ATMs, online bill pay. So pretty standard kind of online checking account with some physical features as well, with the ATMs in the branches. And of course, Fifth Third Bank has a mobile app, so you can have that set up, which is a very efficient, effective way to check on your account and do several features within the account. And that app is available on the Apple and Google Play app stores. Here's a look at it right here as it's going to look. And you have that mobile check deposit right there, which is a very nice feature. Taking a picture of the front and back of the check and following any steps. Sometimes you have to, say, write something on the back for mobile deposit only or something like that. Very simple process with mobile check deposit that I've had with other banks. Very nice. So yeah, this account does have that feature. You can do that on the app, manage your money on the go and so forth. Send money with Zelle, as I showed you and talked about, deposit checks, manage statements, set up account alerts, and so forth and so forth. And that is it with the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on banking bonuses and savings offers and personal and financial education about income, banking, and stocks and investing. If you got any questions about the Fifth Third Bank checking account bonus, or any comments or concerns about it, your experience with Fifth Third Bank, anything like that, drop the comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And it's also helpful for other people on the channel, they're subscribed or watching the video. If they, find out about somebody's experience with this bonus offer or the account in general, that could definitely be helpful to some people. Stay tuned for more great deals and financial insights. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care. And this banking bonus offer is very simple, easy, and can be obtained pretty quickly, as I'll tell you about later in the video with the 2 steps and a third bonus step kind of will tell you about. And there's no minimum initial deposit to open this Fifth Third Momentum checking account, and no monthly maintenance fees. I'll tell you more about the checking account as well. And this video is organized into sections, so you could jump to a certain section or back and forth however you want to if you miss something or want to, find out about something a little bit more, coming back to the video later or whatnot.